If you are a May 2024 or November 2024 aspirant, CA intermediate aspirant, then this video is for you. Please watch the video till the end because I have a very important update for all of you. As you all know that from May 2024, we will be preparing under the CA new course scheme, and I will be taking up two subjects from group 2. One is paper number 4, cost and management accounting, and another one is paper number 6, financial management and strategic management. So these two papers are my responsibility. So I have a very important, very important announcement for all of you. As some of you might know or some of you might not be knowing also, that we have already announced the batches for cost accounting and FMSM. The batches are going to start soon. The registrations have already started, and many students have already registered. Sir, we have provided the course at a very affordable price. Currently, the prices are 4,720, but the main thing is that these prices are going to increase from 6th of August 2023, right? So before that, please take this opportunity, take this benefit of the highly discounted prices. The MRP of the course is 6,490, including the hard copy of the books. Each and every information is available on our website www.ksjteaching.org, and we will be providing the registration links of the course in the description of this video as well as in the pinned comments of this video. You can go check it out there. For both the courses individually, the price currently is 4,720, but this price will be increased from 6th of August 2023, right? So it's a great opportunity for all of you. The batches will be available in Hindi English mixed language as well as complete English language, sir. Complete English language we will be providing the batches in, right? So choose the language as per your preference, including the hard copy of the books. This price is including of that, right? The prices are going to increase. Please note the date from 6th of August 2023. The prices will get revised. So take this benefit before that. After that, no price, discounted, this request will be entertained. Discounts will be there, but the lesser percentage of the discounts. Currently the course is at around, I think, 27% discount is there currently, but these prices will get increased from 6th of August 2023. Please note the date, and all those who really want to take the benefit of the affordable prices, please join the batches at the earliest before 6th of August. From 5th midnight only, the prices are going to get revised, right? So see you guys in the batches very soon. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, keep sharing. Thank you so much.